Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, the hot war tensions in the Middle East from Israel's attack on Iran has generated substantial financial market reaction. And the hot war between Israel and Iran could go on for a very long time. The first 3 days may only be the start. And the gold price has jumped. The oil price has soared. Equity prices are falling, although the futures market suggests Wall Street may open tomorrow little changed. Bond yields are up after an earlier risk aversion fall. The US dollar has been falling, but is now in a wavering phase. But first in China, their banks extended $620 billion in new yuan loans in May, up from 280 billion yuan in April. But that was the lowest level for that month since 2005. Despite the monthly rebound, the May new loan figure was way less than the expected 850 billion yuan and even lower than the 950 billion yuan in May 2024. Low interest rates are not encouraging lending there. The average rate in May in China was little changed at 1.55%. And Japanese industrial production also fell in April from March, down 1.1%, but remained 0.5% higher than a year ago. In the US, there was news American consumer sentiment improved in early June from May from the widely followed University of Michigan survey, which was taken between June the 2nd and the 7th. Although this is the first improvement in the past 6 months, it is off a record low and still 11% lower than year-ago levels. This survey also predates the current crises, and it predates the widespread series of well-attended protest rallies in the US. Finally, we should probably note that the price of lithium carbonate has now crashed 90% from its giddy heights in 2022, is now back to the late 2020 levels before the frenzy. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.41% and unchanged from Saturday. But the price of gold will start today at $3,430 an ounce. That's down $3 from Saturday, but up $115 from a week ago. In contrast, the silver price is at $36.17 an ounce and little change from a week ago. And American oil prices are holding higher, although down 50 cents from Saturday, at just on $73 a barrel, while the international Brent price is now just under $74.50 a barrel. These are large jumps from a week ago on the war risks. And the full assessment of supply risks are not yet understood, so this price could be volatile this week. And the Kiwi dollar is now just under 60.2 US cents, down 10 basis points from Saturday. Against the Aussie, we're unchanged at 92.7 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're down 10 basis points at 52.1 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just over 67.9 and down 20 basis points from Saturday, shifted a bit by a fall against the British pound. You can get more news about the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.